So the main idea for today is to forage for 3 ingredients in the forest. Stinging nettles, wild garlic, and scarlet elf cup mushrooms. We're going on an adventure! But before that, we're going to my local butcher to pick up a nice protein. Morning! You alright? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Yeah, the pork chops, yes, thank you. We have our meat. Now let's see what the forest has to offer. This is it, my friends, my favorite mushroom spot. There we are, stinging nettles, but I don't recommend you pick these ones on the side of the road. The dogs have probably pissed on them, so nah. So we've been looking around a little bit, but unfortunately the environment is not right for what we're looking for. So we're heading back to the car and moving to my next spot. Okay, so on the way to the car we found a nice patch of stinging nettles, which are not on the footpath. We only want the tops. These should be enough for what we need. The first location wasn't a total failure. We managed to find some stinging nettles. My hands are all tingly and we're on our way to the second spot. Hopefully we'll find what we're looking for. So we are in the second spot. We have better chances of finding both scarlet elf cups and the wild garlic. I think we found something. Hopefully it's gonna be wild garlic. Fingers crossed. There, that patch over there. Oh no, it's not wild garlic. That's a bummer. I was hopeful there for a second, but nah, this is not the spot. Well, we've been at it for a while. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any wild garlic, nor any scarlet elf cups, but we have our nettles and we're gonna use those. Let's go. Right, so we're back in the kitchen. We have our lovely pork chops from the butcher and the stinging nettles that we've picked earlier, and we're rolling with plan B. So plan B is to grill these beautiful pork chops, do a stinging nettle puree, stir-fried shimeji mushrooms, and charred cherry tomatoes. Pork chop, nice beautiful loin on the bone. You can see the rib here. You have a little bit of rib meat. We're gonna get rid of that because it cooks at different temperature from the loin itself. Basically you want this meat mostly for stews, slow braising. Anyway, let's debone it. Save this for later. We're gonna cut this belly meat. Here we have 4 beautiful steaks. Let's keep it simple. Just a bit of oil. Salt. And black pepper. Now, set it aside. Nettles. You want to soak them a little bit. We're cleaning off the dust. Drain. and we're blanching them real quick. Two minutes out, we want to retain that beautiful green. In the same water which we blanched the nettles, we will add a few pieces of dried porcini. These are from last autumn. We've picked them in the forest we've been earlier. Let them steep in the hot water for about 5 minutes. For our nettle puree, we're gonna need 2 spring onions, just the green part, and some garlic. Mushrooms are nice and soft now. Put them with the nettles and we can discard the water. Chop our mushrooms. Pan. Olive oil. Spring onion, mushrooms, garlic in the pan. Nettles in. Touch more oil. Can add a touch of soy sauce for that umami boost. Nettles done. Set them aside, we're going to use later. Honey. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Mushroom salt, which I made earlier this year. Basically dried porcini with salt and black pepper. Mix. This is our soy sauce and honey glaze. While the nettles are cooling down, we can start grilling our meat and boil 1 potato for the puree, and then we're gonna saute the mushrooms. Okay. Now, baste it with your soy sauce and honey glaze. And flip. And glaze again. And flip. Flip them as often as possible. hot pan, sunflower oil, shallots go in. Mushrooms in. Salt, pepper. It smells fucking delicious. Touch of soy sauce. Now mushrooms are ready. Nettle puree. Boiled potatoes. They're nice and soft. Do not discard the boiling water, we might need it later to loosen up the puree. Lid on. Blend. Some oil. And this is our nettle puree. Plating. Nice spoon. Rustic, nothing fancy. 1 pork chop. 2 pork chop. Mushrooms. And charred cherry tomatoes. And pork juice. Perfectly cooked pork chop. Pork chops, stinging nettles, mushrooms, humble, delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.